wa preso we de and waka say was here nano and ye follow what in a punk or for the Guizra for so bra kodu epokwano we peji ani epokokoni echi ani so a wonum na ebei eno na Moses sore no simunyekom na mo hwe urade nkwaje aya wo de bremo mampani abedi eche ye uralaji Mamadou Baumia waka kire ni pipi echiritafo semunyekom na mo hwe urade nkwaje wo de bremo ni ekoso amanyoko ni mu ya masabra se bebre abamu abuo no makoma etuo no osimunyekom na mo kama koma ntoyem na botaye esimani so se mu bebreke yeti no sa botaye no ena mo mpem so enkon wode asem itu dwa wo bro kopia proyema ntemo baby aye mane yenuanom echiro wonum din no de afutuo de ma party echiritafo se woni monyamfa la nkwajo kire maten a sa bread ye woso woni woso ni twaka bia no ne afafranto ena behwe abomu no a wate ne ho a wokro no momo ma wei enha obi a twen munyekom na munyina wote eye dwumaden ene nkoden ena mo beye no no de onum se mokabom na mo ye dwuma so a breaking the eight no inshallah ebebem.
All of us to keep our eye on the ball. I am very happy with what I am seeing, and I know that it is possible. I want all of us to keep our eye on the ball. Let us not be distracted. Let us stay focused, because the MPP will win 2024. I am very happy with what I am seeing, and I know that it is possible.
It is possible. The signal is so strong. Mampani abedi echiri.
Yewura oseche men sabonso so na nsem trofo kasa na wo ye ne say yewura Allah kwadwo trematen twe a watwe ne ho nyame ye wadom no no akoda dwe ne ho no hu so besa ba MPBB mu a omeba na wa watu.
In terms of standing up for the party, by Anso, who was Anso. When I was a minority leader, the only person who was assisting me, the press conference, the only person who was assisting me in equal measure was at that time the running mate. Even when he had ceased to be the running mate, no moment they make it say Alan Tonobasia. A man who cried in Kamena, Subasa, Bona Manasa, you make us say. I consider what he has done very unfortunate. Maybe any repercussions, but that is his own decision. I'm still hoping to be a bit more retrace his steps back. Yeah, ended before. Let's face it. You can't boom no ground. You going to mean very we still need call samba like a prodigal son.
Na o wie kra na o ye ne sanya me ye na democracy bi o timi be yo mampania amamu no kra be den kakra de ama no.
I'm not going to graduate. Only the Nikunu, the Muja, signing the constitution of the NDC. The founder, you may be no officer and people say, you know, Magic, and the baby, and the castle to reposition the legacy. No, Mufi say, I'm not going to do a 10 Hokoti party. Now, wow, these things we have seen, but nobody, no parties, no more. Alan says he's going to go as an independent candidate. Oh, yeah, independent, that's all we near. What the idea be bad. We have to use the lenses of the party more. We'll say, assess, I don't know what is going to happen. And now, let's face it, governance, democracy, parliament is the bulwark of democracy. It's our personal budget. What the parliament? Parliament, I dare to say the answer into. Now, yeah, they say, MPP, you were only plus one advantage. Caucus, no, plus one. Now, say, you may be Yaria. I say, be binti, I will say, you may be too quiet. You see how we struggle in parliament because.
Yewura oseche men sabonso na yetene nkai
wora same krabo bribi atwamu no ye second vice chairman edman PP amanyoko si wora kwadwo ala kwadwo kire maten woda na se wodo nyame hira nsoma no se ba bia wokro nyame eninanim papa na so ndo ogidi pass amanyoko no ensem bi ewom eniema bebre enewom o wona se ntwefo na twetwe nkoma a wo cheche mu se abribi eniema se ibesie no ese wotena se na wo hwe na wotimi sia no na wakai ebra chairman foku ni kwabreje Japan ensem ba yo no na wo motena ase emani emanyina ye toten so we no wonimu bi eti wo hunu se de besi a obeka no nanso se party leadership eni wo ma aka nyina wo musu etimi kabo mu na de asie ebi nso ntumi nkosi bie mu daakye a ewo ye nim no
beda alache masias wa party You see, also your person or independent. Nami, any number. By Yemu Bino, if it's a party, in some way, yes. In so you bet in a party, I saw was in some. The experience in this is a baby, a seer, not and found whom poor, found whom dim. I'm on for so na some crab, there's idea with an infano. I have focused on the Japan, and I know reality not even good. Midimu dim because when you say, even though I'm family honor, say man Cassa and ma Yeniamia. That should be the baby. It's a Mikaya. It is a CAC. Near Messi. Can you bear shoulder? Or maybe your non independence.
Wora same crab we ye no wasande to so say papa la kwadwo kire mate san a wasane beboa ama yewura Canada akompreko ene November 4th no watimi edi nkunim san say research ya waye ni kire mpefe say wono ene align de ene kabo mu a ene ebetimi atuba womia
at the end of say me because a positive side because me bonfire na me rejoice say and so dem be me kire ni say ade no who say research by the brave say obia enya first round na ade no be ko second round na second round Alan votes any can votes e can bo mo so me abelus it's unfortunately Alan is free fortunately positive mind say e enko second round ye can vote na bo mu sisi a o ne pa che
Wora same crabo edia wono so de baaye eno no
owura Moses Moy ena ya administrator de mayewura Allah nkwadwo trematen ne team ye wo tamale ene ne mpotamu na omo tere se ade ne baabi aduru no saa na oso mo ye ne tombe ye ne saa so de agya ne kwan omo ye sentrofo hye mu de tere se wo kwa omo de nyame de na sepa nyame nhyira no
Maintain presidential candidacy within the MPP are here today to express our profound disappointment in Mr. Chiramantin for what we consider as a significant betrayal. We as concerned, first and foremost, we are individuals who have steadfastly believed in Alan's leadership within the party. I underscore this, within our party for an extended period of 17 years to be exact. We have diligently worked alongside with him, supporting his campaigns and believing in his potential to lead the new patriotic party, especially in the upcoming 2024 general elections. However, Alan chose to withdraw from the race abruptly, without prior notice, citing isolated incidents of violence in some regions of the country after our special delegate conference. This decision has inflicted unnecessary hardship on us because we firmly believe that the grassroots were firmly behind him. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we can only describe this action as cowardly. We're not saying he's a coward, but the action is cowardly and the betrayal of his loyal supporters.
Moses Moy ena yetenenken
ye free anu mu ni aba on monyafo Canada compare kwa Japan wati dwumako bi o se friend no came for president donation platform what they bought for to na what they aboa ni dwumadie wo ye lunch e won kran odwam training a oda no no owura George otibonsu and wo chechire mu says half to ya wo ye fan rezin no ni nyina da beboa Ghana for na hye nkura ne titiri ni delegate no bia nso atumi ne kakrawa atumi aba beboa na wo mdwumadie no atumi akonenim wo se wo dia ne se wo be dial *797# na nso wo dia atumi aboa enu nti ene wo ye se dwumadie ya wo pa ho entoma so e won kran enu nti wo se Ghana for e wo fie ene abrochire nyina wo mu nyina nka momu no mo meta ye wura Canada kwa me akompre kwa Japan achi na wo monye wo mai ne daache papa no ensi ho.
The New Patriotic Party is a democratic organization and we all have the right to support any candidate of our choice during our elections.
politics there, you making the people. It's audience contribution. Oh, it will have various you took my go around. Yeah, t-shirts, cars, various items that you have to purchase for distribution. This is we are better get your audience and like a Serbia and so. Yeah, never say this is your mind. It's your normal franchise. So, I'm going to you're very ready to be my fault.
Well, you were Tibon, so Papa, Danu ye power and Skakadano. One way and one, and we are the only Ura. You bet me the other one, and actually, and our president, Emma Ken. Ladies movement KLM Madame Abrefi wabe brefo wano so ene sisi kabumpa en wade tu futuo no mu ya yentumi kura amodin na wano so ekire na niso ene sede wano nyina age atomu se wo be ya boaboa ma kakrakra wo matimi aboa ye wura Canada Japan ma na niso ade hu so obedi mampani no abamu
see ye shanya utumi ye ma ye kaye fashion ma but ye hu say ejuma papa na oye no se support no tikelem yanso ye de se ye ka krabe support aye ejuma e sa to aso ni se ye be call out ye de ahofe ye de bibia yin bia ye de be call out akopeska e de abeboa campaign e be call companies ye ni individuals be kasa in fact ye de boss baby I be come bia market places shops bia ye hu ni bia ye ne be ka no ase no so yi ka krabia yeah, that mema. Ebe kanu kwena chiro.
Waba brefi kwato ene wakasa no.
Ye bo adame na ye duru ne nche na asema wode ma wiase nyina no tete branche mudie ekoso na magistrate ahodo na afeso judges ahodo na ehia ye afia no ya na wota ehia edin komofa adwuma no ho de atodwa kire se krono bo ho nsam bi ho no mu a asem no ya na se kopie atemu agwana nimu a ye twe asem no dodo eba ne sa no a na ma asem die na ye tenta asem ba ko ne te ho mfie du no mfie du no ni ayade se hadwen Godfred ye bo adame.
I reflect on cases whose outcomes I personally consider undesirable. Regardless of my own views on the questions being judged in them, can only come to a conclusion that what we have in this country is a fiercely independent judiciary, which all of us should take pride in. That an aggrieved citizen can go to a court of law and challenge anyone, including decisions of the president and parliament, and be confident the court will do a decision without fear or favor. They are only urge the judiciary to ensure that their processes are devoid of undue delays and other inefficiencies. For a robust legal system and appeal by rule of law goes hand in hand with economic prosperity and bolsters the confidence of the people and deters the perpetration of wrongdoing. A court system in which summary trial of criminal cases can last for more than 5 years militates against the right to a fair trial, defeats the end of justice, and must be looked at again. It is unjust and unfair for so-called high-profile criminal cases involving the summary offenses of fraud, roughly causing financial loss to the state, and money laundering to drag on for years, while similar cases filed against the perceived ordinary members of society are concluded within 6 months to 1 year.
Attorney General Ira Godfred Yabo Adame.
Yeah, call Nayati Simo Watanon of municipality, yeah, no half region. And a babeto jam and anonymous phobia, one more mining communities in Num, one more fre Ghana, Hima right for one Tia will be a found with some so swamray. Now, quite a new month of 4, Edwamanam Sonia Dia Mua Yapa group, one year at your watching and 984. Now, a bit of touchy, a free pa, Susan Soya, Phony Adroba, and one more friends and drove for a shame. Ewa frisi pa no me to o manim say new mantofo ensase amotimo baba yeso adwuma mo mesusui mo nyare de be wansa matesi mu na mo say won mo niema ebi de ye teke ebi de ye koko ebi de ye abe aduane a wo madua so ebi de nyina da mo ase no mo age atum sampa sase am say ye no mo compensation bia no mo niema e wo so no am say no ase pa kire sen ti Ghana fo mre no mo nka bi ma wonum
na ebra ye kodru ho no ye hunu se na company no wo ye nsase so a wo se ye fudie no enti ye ma company no ejai se adwumadie na wodie no na ojai se adwumadie no anche ye hunu se apolisifo a o mu free canon of district police e ba be che yen ode ye kokotu na enu achi no ye hunu se Nimont e kan sem bi e fa court nsem ho a court da no so na eye September ne de to so 9 eye 2023 ya omoche yemu miensa eye consent farmers no yemu miensa na yede ekopie court anim o dua ankwanta na edam se asem go court no ntini yentimi ka bebre emfa court nsem no ho sanse yesa yeti amra se de amra no court no nti atwe ho ofisi asem ho na de court kan yeti awa ne se court ema saa nipa ya bo mo kwadu no bail nti court anka bibia amfa se yeni ho kwan se yekọ saa yemfuom ana yensa ase no so enti ye kan sisi dua pen se the company no be kan ye se yeni ho kwan se yekọ yensa ase so no eye bosirim kansem eye
where your radio men sound ni group leader wodi wonum anim
ya pe gushegu mra se betwane yewura jinapona kasai ebra wode tu ewiase nyina ene aban panifo ne ankrankra nim se adehye ya ewo empotem hodom no eyade se enema hadwe pa wohwe bupese ya nanu adra na nsubranse mesane guye no eyira fa kuro no nyina ewo Gonja East mensen mu adehye nya ba bi na japade ahodo na asenti adofo enko wommoa.
We have written to NADMO because that is the institution established to support victims. And I would have thought that given the enormity of the challenge, at least some officials from the national officiated the place, if not for anything, just to empathize with them. It's also unfortunate. I spoke to the district NADMO coordinator and he indicated that had no relief items. And that despite several calls to authority, that appeared that nothing is happening. Also, the assembly, which is the local government agency that collects taxes from the market and district assembly's common fund, as well as levies from the cement factory and other businesses, have indicated that they've run out of money. And so I've had to personally try my best to use my personal pocket money to provide some little support for some of the people. And so I want to appeal to government and, for that matter, NADMO, to take this matter as a matter of urgency and at least provide some relief items to cushion the very difficult situation that the people of Bay find themselves. I've procured some rice, some oil. You may recall, and I have documentary evidence for you, that the last time there was a similar incident, I personally had to procure 100 bags of rice, 50 cartons of oil, and some cash amounts to support some of the victims.
John Abdullah Jinaponi yetene kanopa misra obabi a wokobia no bomodin se obehya ne nso se yawe bi ejejew anase bia woni padua no baabi enkoyie woni mobia ne nipadua no baabi atechema no ose eyese ateka misra o yawe na da TV no so ne ho asem na me ne wo kan bomodin bia se number na ebegu ase obefre sesi a nyame wado na frɛ number no a baabi a ɛbɛn ye no na ya kyerɛ wo hɔ no waba baabi a de bɛya ma wo no kɔ bi so a sapepepe ene ɛbɛyɛ de ama wo wiase nyina obi agyetum sa abaso bɔde ne ye ne yagye obi sɛ obɛsa wo siatika yɛre na nye 21st clinic ahwɛ soro hwɛfom na ɛfa wo ho adwene de dwene mienu every sɛ yɛ ba ye no obi ahunu sɛ adwuma a yɛ no nyesa bia yare yɛ nka yɛ na ɛka ho no yɛ ho adwuma pa na so de yagye din wɔ mu yie pa no ɛno na yɛ 21st clinic oba herbal treatment papa bi betwa scan na massage papa bi nso atwa adiagu yɛ wɔ boase sanso so ɛna kumase enkran do market ho ye honom na afeso tachima enkraza ne sunyan ba bia wo de frɛ number no 0540311311 0540311311 na nyame ye wadom so na sabia usimu akwa adwuma ana nkoda no so ekosuko bomoden sɛ ubenya mizo ene 5G ni bi na de ahyɛ nkoda no bag ne ho de ma wo mo akoda bia wo ko school bia na mizo ne 5G sɛ ne bag no ho no akoda nim eye sede police for munyi bi asoja for munyi bi taxi driver truck drivers no prage abobo ya obi a offices ahodo obi ama mizo enko honom na eni kasem na hintasem wo mu ne se wo frɛ number na Egu TV na se na ba bia wo bia no manager Dan ewo 21st clinic uduru honom so a se bia wo twam wo ahwane ne important ho afa ho a wo sa be ka dodo na ne mo frɛ number na Dr. Silas ene abusuafo be package bi kama na ye de amane 0246 270221 0246270221 na kwabena kese na afei
Asante abo Benedict yesem for Penny Kuku Veronica Jandro akose somoa ene Kevin anopei wabo atwuma de kaseboi ebre yen wonyini ni amakranche enemy din ye sorry de yewura otrase na wode ade ache bia no atoaso